My name is Kevin. We're working on a touchscreen interface for an interactive map above that we are currently developing. As part of the process, we're asking a variety of people to attempt various tasks to see what elements of the design need to be changed. I'd like to stress that we're testing the product and not your abilities. If you find parts of the product difficult to use or understand, so will other people, and it will be our job to make sure and make appropriate changes to improve it. As you use the product, I will be observing. Today's session will last for about 10 minutes. If you want to stop for a break anytime, just say so. We will be videotaping today's session so that we can analyse the data in depth at a later stage. The videotape will not be used for any other purpose. Please read and sign this consent form which states that you give us permission to videotape.
I've got a few questions for you. How long have you lived in Bath?
Since like August 2005.
Okay, so about almost 2 years.
Yeah, scary.
Okay. And how familiar would you say you are with the city centre layout on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being very familiar and 1 being not very familiar at all?
I know it all actually, apart from like the area just as you drive into Bath where Morrison's is.
So, city centre, how would you rate that out of 10? You're
pretty familiar. When someone asks me if I know where something is, I normally know.
So you just give your score out of 10, how would you score yourself?
I'd say about 9.
9?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you, before today, have you used touchscreen before?
In museums I have.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Have you used one in the last month?
On a cash point, if you're going to classify that, yeah.
I'll ask you a few questions.
Okay.
First question, do you live in around the city of Bath?
In Bristol.
Bristol?
Yeah.
Okay, how familiar are you with Bath City Centre on a scale of 1 to 10? 10 being most familiar. How well do you know the city centre?
2 or 3.
Have you ever used a touchscreen before, like in a photo booth, cash machine?
Yeah.
Have you used one within the last month?
Yeah.
What was it?
Cash machine.
Cash machine. So the first task is to locate the Volunteer Riflemen's Arms pub.
Right, okay. Does it matter if I've not heard of it before?
It doesn't matter, there's only
Okay.
2 pubs on there. It's marked. We've marked it, you just got to find
So I
it
just
and
have to
find out
go.
information about it.
Oh, right, okay. Can I actually press on the thing?
If you could.
Should I go back out again?
Yeah,
There's a few little bugs in it.
Should I come back? Can you get back out like that? Is that? Oh.
Now locate and browse the Georgian version of the map. There's a button. There you go. That's already
Right, so it's a pub, so...
Okay. There it is. Cracky. You should make a little search engine where you can type in what you're looking for and we'll looking for you. I know writing that software is a bitch, but...
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, we're going to give you 3 tasks to do. Sorry, using our software and just observe how you get that, basically.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to turn to the screen. Here's touchscreens. Okay, using the navigation and zoom controls, could you locate the Volunteer Riflemen's Arms pub and find out information about it?
Okay.
Yeah. And if you could just close that window down. Okay, just ask you just to kind of generally just move around the direction of the map, just to kind
Yeah,
of show just how you find that.
it's pretty logical. It's quite obvious. So when I say it's obvious, it's not too obvious. It's easy to use though, which is good.
Historical maps. I would like to find the medieval one. Medieval version. There you go.
Just find one of the Georgian map, the old Georgian map. And then the medieval map as well. See the differences.
Okay, now locate the Warburton Carpenter restaurant and find out information about that.
Here.
Okay, you can close that now.
Okay, could you locate the Walrus and Carpenter restaurant?
Walrus and Carpenter, did you
Yeah.
say?
And tell us some information on it. Or find information.
Oh, we've got the bearings, right?
You mentioned
There you go.